In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted emails in Outlook 5 minutes. Let's get started by opening Outlook in your web browser and signing in. Once you're in, make sure you're viewing the mail experience. If you see other Microsoft 365 apps, look for the mail icon or the Outlook homepage so you're in your inbox. This is where we'll access the folder that holds recently deleted messages. On the left sidebar, find the deleted items folder. Think of this as your recycle bin for emails. Messages you delete usually stay here for a limited time, depending on your account settings, so the sooner you check the better. Click deleted items to open it, and you should see a list of messages that were removed from your inbox or other folders. Now locate the email you want to bring back. You can scroll through the list, sort by date or sender, or use the search bar at the top to narrow it down. When you find it, click the message once to select it. You'll typically see a preview on the right so you can confirm it's the one you need. If you want to restore more than one message, you can select multiple emails by clicking their checkboxes or by using shift click to select a range. With your message selected, right click on it to open the context menu. If you're on a touch device, a long press will do the same thing. You'll see several options appear. Choose restore. You might also see a restore button on the toolbar above the message list. Either route works the same way. After you click restore, Outlook moves that email back to its original folder. For most messages, that means it returns to the folder it was in before deletion, often the inbox. The email will disappear from deleted items, which is a good sign the restore worked. To confirm, head back to your inbox or the folder where it originally lived and you should find it there. If you restored multiple messages, give it a moment for everything to update. If you don't see the restore option or it's grayed out, that can mean the item is no longer recoverable under your account's retention policy. In that case, it may have been permanently removed by the system. Also, if you restored the wrong message by mistake, no worries, you can delete it again and it will reappear in deleted items. That's all there is to it. Open Outlook, go to Mail, check deleted items, select your email, right click and choose Restore. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get important messages back quickly.